Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers, and tonight I'm coming at you with a personal box break of 2013 Topps Platinum Football. This one is going to Shoei Chris S. Here we go, buddy. Good luck. I'm going to save the patch for last. Last box in my case. Oh yeah, today was a big football day. Gino looked good. EJ looked good. It's going to be an exciting year, that's for sure. All right. That's the patch right there, so that goes to the bottom, buddy. Good luck, Chris. Here we go. Got me doing breaks at 1 o'clock in the morning. Brandon Pettigrew, D'Angelo Williams, Ryan Matthews, and Dion Jordan rookie. The parallel is Von Miller. Roddy White, Danny Amendola, Trent Richardson, and the rookie Zach Ertz. The parallel Andy Dalton, who looked good with AJ Green today, that's for sure. Darren Sproles, Jamal Charles, Des Bryant, and a Ken John Barner rookie. The parallel Michael Vick. Brandon retweeted this. Julius Peppers, Ben Roethlisberger, Brandon Whedon, and Alec Ogletree X Factor. And the parallel Roddy White. Stephen Ridley, AJ Green, monster day today. Jay Cutler, and a Stephon Taylor rookie. The parallel Jason Witten for your Cowboys. Percy Harvin, Aaron Rodgers, Demaryius Thomas, and you got our first autograph here. So we'll go to the parallel Michael Vick. I believe we got one of him already. And Desmond Trufant for the Atlanta Falcons. Losing a heartbreaker to the Saints today. RG3, Hakeem Nicks had a good game for the Giants tonight. Dwayne Bowe. And there you go, Chris. Eddie Lacy X Fractor. Boom, baby. There you go. Nice one. And a Roddy White. Colin Kaepernick, Fred Davis, Jason Witten, and the rookie Ziggy Ansah. And I know that's going to go to your buddy Leland. And another Jason Witten. Topps, you need to step up your collation. You need two parallels twice in the same box. That's not good. Michael Crabtree, Brandon Marshall, Ryan Tannehill, and the rookie Tyrone Gold for the Bengals, and a Deshaun Jackson parallel. Mike Wallace, Ed Reed, Vincent Jackson, and an Eddie Lacy rookie. Another nice hit. And a nice parallel there, Tom Brady. Matt Schaub, Miles Austin, and there's a nice one for you, Chris. Geno Smith, pink ribbon, die cut refractor. Boom, baby. And I know you're going to like this one. Joseph Randall X-Fractor. And another Cowboy hit, Tony Romo. This is the Cowboy box. Maurice Jones-Drew, Santonio Holmes, Darren McFadden, and Joseph Randall base rookie. And Kyle Rudolph parallel. Andrew Luck, Eli Manning, Jimmy Graham, and a Kenny Vaccaro rookie. He had a good game today, as did Eli. Eli had a good game, even in a losing effort. And the parallel, Jake Cutler. Here's your black rookie, your black refractor, Frank Gore, Reggie Wayne, Torrey Smith, and a DeAndre Hopkins. That's a nice one. DeAndre Hopkins black refractor parallel. And a Stephen Ridley parallel. Steven Jackson, Phillip Rivers, Deshaun Jackson, and a Kenny Vaccaro X-Fractor. And the parallel, Brandon Weeden. 5 packs left, 1 auto and 1 patch. Larry Fitzgerald, Julio Jones, Clay Matthews, and here's your autograph. So we'll go to the parallel first. Vincent Jackson. And the autograph is Landry Jones, black refractor autograph. Boom, baby. There you go, buddy. Number 96 of 150. Nice hit, Chris. Very nice hit. Anquan Bolden had a good game for the Niners today. Tony Romo. David Wilson didn't have a good game for the Giants. And a Marcus Wheaton rookie and AJ Green parallel. Two more, then we get to your patch. Reggie Bush had a phenomenal game today. Wes Welker, Christian Ponder, and the rookie Alec Ogletree. Demaryius Thomas is your parallel. And the last pack before the patch. And Marcus Ware had a good game for the Cowboys tonight. Rob Gronkowski, Brian Orakpo, and a Marcus Wheaton X-Fractor. Peyton Manning parallel. That's a nice one. All right, buddy, here we go. This is your patch. Well, I know the team. I don't know the player. It could only be one or two players. The rookie is Derek Rogers. Okay, which way we gotta go? It's going this way. I'm pretty sure the team of the player. That's a sick patch. Jonathan Franklin, but that is a sick, nasty patch. Number 176 of 484. And I'm going to say that's the green refractor. Jonathan Franklin. That's a nice little hit, Chris. Just a nasty, nasty patch. And the rookie, as I mentioned, Derek Rogers. Not a bad box at all. A couple of duplicates, which I really don't appreciate, but other than that, not bad at all, Chris. Thank you very much. Guys, don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter @thecasebreakers, and check out my eBay ID, The Casebreakers. Boom, baby.